Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you wish to not receive any notifications from the FIFA mobile game on your device, locate the game application first. Once you find it, just long press on it and you will see the info button. Tap on this button, which will take you into the application info page. Now from this page, if the application is still running, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Once the application has been stopped, underneath privacy, just tap on notifications. And now, if the allow notifications option is turned on, you will receive various kinds of notifications for the FIFA mobile game. So simply turn this toggle off, and now you will not receive any more notifications from the game. You can come back to this menu and change these settings at any point of time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.